Hello and welcome to my $600 gaming PC build. Let's get started. For you, we have the AMD A8 7650K Cavalry. It is a quad-core CPU and its base clock is 3.3 GHz. I think I made a very good choice for it not taking up a lot of power, and the price is only around $90. In this bad boy, we have the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo. Now you will see this cooler in a lot of budget builds, partially because it is a really good cooler for the price it goes for, which is around $29. Moving on to the motherboard, we have the ASRock Fatality Gaming FM2 A88X Plus Killer. For the price only around $95, I think I made a very good choice. It has SATA 6 GBs and 4 RAM. We have the G-Skills Ripjaws in 8 GB. For a price only around $38, I think I made a very good choice. Our graphics card, we have the MSI Radeon R7 370. It does have 4 GB, and if you haven't found out by now, we're going with a red and black theme. It does support Crossfire X, and for a price around $154, I think I. For our storage, we have the Western Digital Blue 1TB. You'll see this in a lot of budget builds, for it actually having 1TB and it only being around $54. Powering all these awesome components, we have the EVGA 500W ATX 12V. It is a 80 plus certified, and it only costs around $40. Unfortunately though, it does have the mustard and ketchup cables, but you're not going to find a lot of power supplies that do not. Sorry about that, guys. Housing all this, we have the Corsair Carbide Spec in black. It is a mid-tower case and only costs around $70. Hey guys, so I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and comment down below to tell me if I should do a different type of PC, maybe an editing or workstation PC, or a different type of theme, maybe a black and orange, black and white, red and white, just a different type of theme. Like I said, this build was around $600. If you want me to do more, I can. Just comment down below, like for another video, and subscribe. Maybe you want to see more of me. And I'll see you guys next time.